fine. How are you?
I'm good. So, how is your lockdown going on?
Lockdown is quite not good, but it's okay. It's habitual now.
Oh, why
How is
it is not because you can't go out?
yeah, it's really restricted, right? Everything is going tough, right?
Okay.
How is your
So,
lockdown going on?
lockdown, since it is green zone, I can go out and come in. So, that is not a problem for me.
Even though it's a green zone, restrictions are there, right?
Yeah, there are too many restrictions, but it is fine than the ones in red zone. So,
Okay,
I'm good with that.
okay.
So, how is your college experience from first year to fourth year?
I would say it's good. Um, Firstly, when I joined, I thought I just scolded about my college. That when compared to other colleges, I listened so many rumors that this college has other beneficiaries. Uh, Education was good, better than our college. Like that, several rumors were heard by me, and firstly, I was not so coping with the college. But when I came to final year, I realized that our college was good compared to several other colleges, and it was good. But with proper ending, it would have been awesome.
So, yeah, just sad that you didn't have a proper ending.
Yeah, very sad, and we were hoping for a better enjoyment after the exam, and we had several plans, but everything is gone. We can't do anything.
That is disappointing actually. So, when you went for your first interview, what was your experience?
Actually, to say, I written four written exams, but Musicma was my first interview taking place, and that was my last interview. I didn't go for any other interview later. That was really awesome interview. Why? Because I got selected.
So, you can share your experience. How did you do? What happened there?
One thing I would say is I didn't get any tense. Why? Because I was not depending on that job. Even though no job, it's not a big problem for me. So I went calmly every round. I thought it's okay even if even if it was gone. So without tension, it would be very easy. And you can even take an example from other seniors, like people who have got one job, they they got two three other jobs also. Why? Because once you lose the tension, you can easily get many jobs, and if you don't get job, you'll get tired of it, and you'll feel the pressure, and you'll lose the confidence in you, and you may lose the interview also.
Okay. So, how was your college experience? Like, what did you miss most in Geetam?
What I miss most in Geetam is going outside and meeting outside friends.
So, you
uh,
don't think in Geetam else?
Long time in hostels, right? So
Hmm.
we have gotten good time, but outside things should also be learned.
Okay. So, any other favorite subjects of yours?
My favorite subject is um, database management system and uh, artificial intelligence.
Why was DBMS your favorite AI?
DBMS due to Veena ma'am taught well, I think so. But DBMS was going into my head.
Okay.
Like
So, who is your favorite faculty then?
favorite faculty are from overall all departments or CSE department, you mean?
Any department? Overall Geetam faculty.
In overall Geetam faculty, in my first year, I have Sara Matthew. She was my favorite lecturer. In CSC, I can say Vijayalakshmi ma'am is my favorite.
Okay. So any suggestions you want to give your juniors while they prepare for the companies, product based or service based?
One thing I can say, I think you have heard from several trainers that you need better communication skills only to just qualify for the interview, to just succeed in the interview. If you only go with that option, there won't be anything you can get succeed. Communication skills are required. Only up to that, other people can convey your thing. See, now my communication skills were not perfect, but what I speak will be conveyed to other person. That's important only. And you need good skills, like at least you want to be a perfect in whatever you place in the resume. Like your favorite subjects are there, right? What are your favorite subjects?
Mine will be actually maths.
Maths. I say from computer science. Can you?
Computer science, it's actually DBMS.
DBMS. See, now you have placed your favorite subject as DBMS. And other interesting subjects, can you please tell me?
Other interesting will be
Two, three more.
uh, flat
Flat.
and AI.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
Okay.
it. I don't remember other.
Like oops. Still many are there, right? Data structure. Oops. Okay.
No, only these
Okay.
are good.
DBMS is when you keep your favorite subject as DBMS, make sure in the basics at least. Like you have headings in the chapter's name, right? On the headings, just search in the internet of the headings of the modules, and you will find just basics of that module. Just at least keep remind well that one.
Okay, I'll make sure that I follow it.
That is the main advice. You no need to get into depth of that subject anytime you go into the interview, because the interview won't know anything depth in that subject until and unless like it is a cloud computing, you won't, or data communications, you know, right? Computer networks or data communication. Until unless they are the subjects, the interviewer won't go depth. This was my friends, everyone, after inquiring all my friends and how their interviews gone, I'm telling, if it was subject like DBMS, if you know the basics of every module, like just the names and the structures of the, it's all enough. You no need to go anything depth. That was my second one. When you go for interview, see the subjects which were you mentioned, just Google it once. For the second round and third round, you will find the gap. At that time, you need to do this. It's better also.
Okay, I'll follow it. When I
Hmm.
go for my interview, I'll make sure that I follow these all things.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much.